Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Coreldraw tutorial how to duplicate. So as example, you can draw rectangle and I will fill the color to the red color. Now if you want to duplicate these objects, you can copy and paste, select the object, press Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste the object. So to be the duplicate object. Or another option, you can go to edit, click copy, and then edit again, click paste. So to be duplicate the object. Okay, that's it for basic Corel Draw tutorial how to duplicate objects.